It's rolling.
Hey everyone, it's Anand from underdogstrength.com, and today I'm going to show you the correct way to use wrist straps when you're going to deadlift. Now, a lot of people seem to have a confusion, and some people don't even know the difference between a wrist strap versus a wrist wrap, which is what you would use for something like a bench press. So I have a complete video on that, and if you haven't seen that, then I'll leave a link down in the description below. But today I'm about to deadlift right now, but I'm using these wrist straps. So first of all, you want to get a high quality wrist strap. The ones that I'm using right now are made by Animal. What I really like about these is that they're really wide compared to regular wrist straps, and they usually last a really long time. So first of all, you want to make sure that both the wrist straps are in the opposite direction, because you're going to place them on either hand, right? And typically the hand in which you're holding it, the wrap also faces the same direction, and you basically slide your wrist inside the wrap and then you tighten it, and do that for both hands. And what you want is the strap should go across and in between your index finger and your thumb. So this is the position you're aiming for. And then you want to step up to the barbell, take your stance. I'm going to do sumo deadlifts today, but this also works for conventional deadlifts or even like rows or anything like that. So there's two ways you can use this. You can either put the strap under the barbell and roll it like that, or some people prefer to roll it over the barbell and then roll it like that. It's personal preference. I personally prefer just under the barbell because it's simpler to set up, because it's already under your hands and your wrists. So I'm going to go with that method, but if you want to try the other method, it's up to you. So just under the barbell like that. Then make sure to get it really tight and as close to your wrist as possible, and keep rolling it until it's super tight. You don't want any slack in the strap or the barbell, so you want it to be super tight. And basically you don't even have to grip it anymore, because if it's tight enough, it's just going to stay there, it's not going to move. So forgot to put on my belt. Actually, can you show them from behind this time? As far as the grip width goes, for both sumo and conventional, I like to use a shoulder width grip so that my hands or my arms are hanging straight down in a straight line. And as you can see, it's really tight now. I don't have to worry about this. Right, so that was it. I didn't have to worry about my grip at all. And that's how you use wrist straps.